All right, swim for your life. So I think the most important thing we can do to avoid feeling depressed or staying down, because we all have bad things that happen every single day. I mean, it's, as one of the best pieces of advice I've heard recently is that faith doesn't take the fear away, but it teaches you how to fight it. Today, I just want to, ask the question, what are you thinking about right now? What are you thinking about right now? I think if you are able to stay in the immediate, if you're able to take the time to enjoy the moment, because time is your strongest or biggest asset. The most important thing that you have is time, right? Time is your most valuable resource. So slow it down. If I'm helping someone, I'm outwardly focused, it's impossible to be in the past, to be inward, and to get stuck for me. I think that if I could do anything better, it's to continue to stay focused on other people all the time. If you believe and you follow that with passion and desire, you're going to manifest it one way or the other. And then if you fail, then you either give up or you don't. And if you don't give up, then you're likely to get closer to success the next time. And if you fail again, you're likely to get more success the next time, right? So it's a matter of being in the moment. Because if you are in the past, how can you do that? It's in the moment. Enjoy the little things. Enjoy the weather. Look at. I'm in a pool, so that's not everybody gets to just hang out in the pool first thing in the morning. But it's the reality that I've created for myself, right? I'm about to go to my cubicle world, but right now I'm in the pool and I'm looking around. It's I noticed the clouds earlier today. It's just beautiful. I don't know how much you can see, right? And then there's nest in the trees, birds flying around. It's like these little things that happen that you can miss out on. So challenge yourself today to hear the sounds going on around you, to smell the smells, and hopefully they're good. To notice somebody who needs a smile, right? Notice somebody who needs a hand. Notice somebody who would benefit from hey, how you doing? Anything I can do to help you? Just, if you're in the moment, it's easier to be kind. I haven't quite figured out how I'll ask a kid this, but kids are great about being in the moment. Kids, I try to remember what it was like to be a kid, and I just remember all the imagination stuff, right? So that's living in the moment, right? Use your imagination. Enjoy the moment, because tomorrow's not guaranteed. Live like this is it, because it could be, and love the people around you and take advantage of the moment. Don't be so caught up in the past, and forgive the people that have hurt you, and let it go, and just be released from all that pain. All right, that's what I encourage you to do. All right, hey, Coach Q back, and I got my director filming me. So today we are all about staying in the moment. So one of the coolest things that I know about kids is that they have the ability to just have fun and stay in even an imaginary type of world in their mind. It's super cool. So I just encourage you, like, as things get tough, like today I've had some things that have come up, and I actually had to remind myself. It's almost like as I go through these videos, I'm challenging myself because of the circumstances that happen around me to actually do what I'm saying that we should do. So when things get tough, what should we think about? What do you think, Miss Director? Do you think we should think about the clouds? Or do you think we should think about the ocean? What do you think we should think about?
Ocean.
Is the ocean your favorite? The ocean's my favorite too. That's what I think about. I think about surfing. I think that, therapists would call it the happy place, right? Go surfing. So I have a question for you. Can you answer a question for me? No, you don't want to answer a question. What do you want to do? You just want to swim? Where are you going to swim? Where are you swimming? So that is kind of an example of staying in the moment. So all he wants to do is swim. He's not thinking about anything but getting away from me so we can swim some more, right? Where you want to swim like a what? You going to swim like a fish? What are you going to swim like? What kind of fish?
Flips.
A what? Is that a fish you just made up? A catfish. You look like a catfish. Go, Mr. Catfish, go. What kind of a fish are you? Are you a dolphin? Dolphin's not really a fish. Are you a dolphin? You're a dolphin? Yeah. Okay. What's so cool is that now you're in the ocean. Ready? You gonna swim like a dolphin? Catch a cloud. Go. Go, dolphin, go. Right now, all he's doing is just thinking about swimming, taking breaths. I mean, that's what we need to be doing all day long, isn't it? Right? Swimming, taking breaths, right? How do you catch a cloud? Breathe, right? Have fun, right? Life is way too short not to.